It still tastes good like a cigarette should.
Not long ago, we thought it was okay to advertise cigarettes in kids' cartoons. We thought it was okay to x-ray our feet at the shoe store, and now we think it's okay to put a microwave transmitter against our heads? We are participants in a massive experiment, and our health is at risk. The World Health Organization issued a warning. Mobile phones are classified as possibly carcinogenic, meaning may cause cancer. Studies from the cell phone industry say they're safe. Studies from other sources say they're not. The tobacco industry used to produce studies claiming smoking was safe, and some doctors played along. Experts are talking about cell phone risks, but opinions are inconsistent. So we decided to perform our own tests, and here are the results. On a cell tower, idle, waiting for something to happen. No danger, yet, because under 18 milliwatts is considered safe. On a cell tower, sending or receiving text messages is high-power radiation exposure. On a cell tower, streaming video or audio is also high-power exposure. And of course, a phone call through a cell tower is high-power exposure. Here's the good news. When using Wi-Fi, streaming, sending or receiving texts, and even phone calls are no problem as long as they connect through Wi-Fi. So, until we invent safer cell phones, or prove they are safe, we need to be careful with these pocket microwaves. Suggestions to remember: use Wi-Fi or airplane mode when possible, use speakerphone or headset on calls, carry the phone away from your body, and repost this video to help others wake up.